Explore with Molly. Welcome to Kaya in beautiful Alaska. Hey everyone, it's me, Molly. Kaya is a wonderful place to play with my friends and explore the outdoors. I live here with my family at the Denali trading post. Would you like to explore with me? Let's go! Use the arrows to explore my village. You can also use your keyboard.
Hi, Mol.
Hi, Mom.
I heard there are some beautiful agate stones down at the river. Could you find a few for me?
I'd love to help.
Masit cho, Molly. That means thank you in the Gwich'in language.
How's it going, Molly?
Hi, Dad.
Can you pick me some fresh blueberries so I can make blueberry jam?
Sure thing.
Ana basit, Molly. That means thank you in the Koyukon language.
Hey, Molly. Hey, Tui. Sled Dog Dash. Choose a sledding mission. Windsong Mountain. Hi, everyone. It's me, Molly.
And I'm Tui.
It's Grandpa Nat. He wants to explore Windsong Mountain. He needs us to bring him a GPS device. It's got a digital map that helps you find your way.
We can take my dogs on a sledding mission. Let's go!
Our mission: deliver the GPS device to Grandpa Nat. We need 5 dogs to pull our sled. Tap the dogs in their houses to pick them. Skippy. Jax. Luca. Laika. Kiwi. Here's our dog team, ready to go. Help me finish packing the gear we'll need for the trip. Put everything into the box. Light-up collars. Leggings. Straw. A GPS device to deliver to Grandpa. Everything's packed, and I have my Sled Advisor app on my phone to help us. Let's get started on our sledding adventure. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go! You can steer the sled around the obstacles like dirt patches and rocks. Get the treats and toys for a speed boost. Woohoo! Extra speed! Oops! Stay away from the obstacles. Wow! Look at us go! Awesome! We made it to the first checkpoint. Let's see how the dogs are doing. Our dogs are hungry and losing energy. Learn how to take care of sled dogs when they're hungry. Let's check our app to find out what to do. Tap on the part of the app that tells you where you can learn about how to take care of dogs when they're hungry. Dog care. That's right! You can learn about it in the dog care part of the app. Tap on the part of the app that tells you where you can learn about how to take care of dogs when they're hungry. Hungry Sled Dogs. That's right. You can learn about it in the Hungry Sled Dogs part of the app. What shall we feed the dogs for a snack? Hungry Sled Dogs. Sled dogs need food to give them energy to continue running. For meals, sled dogs eat raw meat mixed with water and dry dog food. They should also eat snacks every 2 hours. Fish, such as chum salmon, are used for snacks. What shall we feed the dogs for a snack? Fish. That's right. That's what the caption says. Tap to give the dogs a snack. Good job. Let's get back to the sled. We're one step closer to getting the GPS device to Grandpa. 3, 2, 1, go! The fish snack gave the dogs enough energy to keep running. Our dogs have been running for a few hours, so they need to sleep. Let's learn how to care for sled dogs who need rest. Let's check our app to find out what to do. Tap on the part of the app that tells where you can learn about caring for dogs who need rest. Dog care. Dog care. That's right! You can learn about it in the dog care part of the app. Tap on the part of the app that tells where you can learn about caring for dogs who need rest. Rest. That's right! You can learn about it in the rest part of the app. What should we use for dogs who need rest? Rest. Sled dogs should get breaks to rest so they don't run out of energy. After 4 hours of running, they should rest for 4 hours. Sled dogs often sleep on straw. What should we use for dogs who need rest? Straw. That's right. That's what the caption says. Tap to make a straw bed for the dogs. Good job. Let's get back to the sled. We're getting closer. Time for more sledding. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at us go! Awesome! You used the app to solve the problem. Uh-oh! The middle rope that links all the dogs to the sled is starting to break. Let's learn what gear dogs need to link them to the sled. Let's check our app to find out what to do. Tap on the part of the app that tells you where you can learn about gear that the dogs need to link them to the sled. Dog gear. That's right! You can learn about it in the dog gear or the sled parts of the app. Tap on the part of the app that tells you where you can learn about gear that the dogs need to link them to the sled. Sled gear. That's right! You can learn about it in the sled gear part of the app. What gear do we need that goes in the middle and links all the dogs? Sled gear. Gang line. A gang line is the main line that links all the dogs to the sled. Neck lines. Neck lines link to the front of the dogs, near their necks. Tug lines. Tug lines link to the back of the dogs' harnesses. What gear do we need that goes in the middle and links all the dogs? Gang line. That's right. That's what the diagram says. Tap to connect the dogs to the gang line. Good job. Let's get back to the sled. This is our last sled run before we get to Grandpa. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, look at us go! Gwinzy! The gang line kept the dogs linked to the sled the whole time. Yay! We did it! Here's the GPS device you asked for.
Now I can explore the mountain safely. Masicho, Molly. That was a great help.
I couldn't have done it without help from my friends.